What is this? The Willis. Nababakabalan, welcome to Pampanga. Guys, para sa video na to, nandito po tayo ngayon sa Candaba Pampanga and we were invited by Bee Farm Cafe by Alexa's Kitchen. And this is a buffet restaurant na available po dito sa may Candaba Pampanga. And I wanna show you briefly, quickly guys, kung ano yung ambience po natin for today's video. So guys, look at that. If you wanna know more about this, samahan niyo po ako. Let's go. At ayun nga guys, eto na yung table natin. Aside from the setup, eto nga po yung mga available dishes na pwede natin kuhanin dun sa buffet table natin. So ranging from meat, soup, pasta, yung mga native dishes natin. Meron din tayo mga desserts and salad.
And grill.
And grill. Dito nga, what else can you ask? Ang kagandahan dito, unlimited.
Oh, yes.
You get to enjoy what you want until supplies last.
Unlimited and very affordable.
Limited and very affordable. Now, let's talk about the prices. So, for only 348 pesos during weekdays, and then 378 pesos naman during weekends and holidays. Enjoy their lunch during 11 to 3 p.m. And then dinner naman natin starts at 5 p.m. until 9 p.m.
So, meron silang tawilis, lengua.
Yes.
Meron silang kare-kare.
Yan.
This one is sinigang salmon.
Salmon belly.
This one is chicharron bulaklak. Tokwat baboy. Tinola. On your side.
My side, so meron tayong ginataan na kalabasa. Meron din tayong lechon kawali, fried itik, at saka fish fillet.
Fish fillet.
Sa mga pasta, meron tayong carbonara at spaghetti. In the middle, alam ko, ito yung favorite mo yan.
Oh. Okay, in the middle, what we have, isaw manok.
Yan yung dugo.
Oh, hot dog, yan. Favorite. Pork barbecue. Parang tenga to.
Yes. Pisngi and tenga. Yan, siyempre.
So, meron tayong mga grilled shrimp.
Seafood.
Ano? Favorite.
Yan po.
Plan mo, unlimited.
Yes, sir. Tapos sa mga desserts naman natin, meron tayong halo-halo.
Coffee jelly.
Mango. Buko pandan. And mixed fruits.
And salad.
Alright, so wag na natin patagalin to. Let's start. Okay.
Itik sila sa suka.
Itik sa suka. Next guys, this is yung kanilang tinola. Look at this. Sinigang salmon belly.
Sige.
This is as plain as simple. This is what you will get near the farm. Actually, yan, katabi mo mismo yung palayan. How do you find the place, ma'am?
Ay, maganda. Parang ano ba yun? Probinsya.
Countryside dining na. Tara, let's go.
Tara.